Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Hootsuite account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close and delete your Hootsuite account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently delete your Hootsuite account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you need to keep track of different expenses, especially if you're not using it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Hootsuite dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Hootsuite account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently delete your Hootsuite account, you want to click on your profile icon button down here on the bottom left. It looks like a little person. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Plan and Billing. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all this information about your current membership. You can see this is a Hootsuite professional plan. So if you simply want to go ahead and cancel the paid subscription, you can click right here. However, if you want to permanently delete your account, click right here on Delete My Account. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this button pop up, Delete Account. Okay, by deleting your account, they do let you know you're going to delete all of your data. So you do have the option to go ahead and cancel the subscription. That way you're not billing on their subscription anymore. However, the data is still going to remain. That way you can come back to Hootsuite if you wish to do so. If not, and you'd like to go ahead and completely delete your account, click on this button here, Continue to Delete My Account. Do not click here, Cancel Subscription. All right, once you do that, they're going to ask you why you like to permanently delete your Hootsuite account. So you can just choose there, and then you want to click here on Delete My Account. I'm not going to do that because I still use this Hootsuite account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently delete your Hootsuite account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.